Hello friends, today we learn how to create group in Tally and use it like subledger or ledger. For creating group, we understand some transactions here. Like on 1st May, company paid advertisement charges to make my advertising company limited. So let's create a group here like advertisement charges and made to payment make my advertising company. So we take here some transactions like on 1st May company paid advertisement charges again to create advertise of rupees 10,000. On 20th May company paid advertisement charges to Lokmat newspaper, and last one is paid advertisement charges to make my advertising company limited again. So these transactions are here executed in the month of May. So if we create an entry or make a entry like advertisement account debit to cash, so we not understand to whom we pay actual amount and how many amount to each advertisement company. So for understanding these transactions, open your Tally, create group here, go to accounts info, group and create. Create the group like advertisement charges, like under the group indirect expenses, and group behave like subledger, make this option to yes and accept it. Then press escape key, go to accounts info, create ledger, like first party name is make my advertising company limited. So take here the group advertisement charges and accept. You see here the advertisement charges is the under the group of indirect expenses and enter. So press escape key, go to accounting voucher, press F5 for payment, press F2 key and enter the date like 1st May and made to payment make my advertising company limited. See the transaction on 1st May company paid to make my advertising company limited rupees 20,000. So amount will be here 20,000. So company paid by cash, payment to make my advertising company and accept it. Second transaction is on 5th May company paid advertising charges to creative advertise rupees 10,000. So again F5 payment, press Alt plus C, create a ledger, creative advertise, under the group advertisement charges. So amount is 10,000 here. Before press F2 key and change the date 5th May, amount 10,000 by cash, payment to creative advertise and accept it. Third transaction is on 20th May, company paid advertising charges to Lokmat newspaper of rupees 5,000. Press F2, enter the date. Again, press Alt plus C. Lokmat newspaper under the group advertisement charges 5,000 by cash. Same narration is here. You press Ctrl plus R to copy the narration of last transaction. Payment to Lokmat newspaper for advertising and accept. And last transaction is 23rd May, company paid again to make my advertising on 23rd May, rupees 25,000. So press F2, enter the date 23rd May. So make my advertising company 25,000 to cash. Ctrl plus R. Payment to make my advertising company and accept. Then press escape key. Go to profit and loss. Press Alt plus F1. You see here the advertising charges is under the group of indirect expenses. It is used like a sub-ledger, like commission, allowed, salary. If you enter on the advertisement charges, you see here the to whom how many amount is paid to particular advertising company. Like creative advertise 10,000, Lokmat newspaper and make my advertising company. Press escape key. If you enter on the salary is paid 20,000 in the month of May, but you not see here to whom we paid 20,000 salary. So here the ledger effect is salary paid by cash, but not see here to whom we paid the salary. If you create the group like advertisement charges and make the entries using the party's name, you see the actual effect to which party we paid or to which employee we paid. The list is available here. If you enter here on the creative advertise the month of May, you see here the amount is paid to Create Advertising Limited, Creative Advertising Limited. Thank you.